everyone. Thanks for joining me. It's Harmony from Rainbows of Light, your Swarovski Authorized Reseller. I'm excited to share this new Swarovski pearl and crystal tassel necklace that I just made, because it's not my normal color combinations that I wear, but a friend of mine was wearing similar colors on a necklace of hers, and I was really admiring it. And so I came home and started playing around with some colors and came up with this and really loved it. So it's fun that your color and style preferences can change over time. So I wanted to share with you the colors that I used in this one. This is the Swarovski Crystal Pearl in the 5/810 6mm Jade. So Jade is a gem tone color that Swarovski came out with a few other gem tone colors such as coral, red coral, lapis, dark lapis, turquoise, and jade. And it's nice because they blend a little bit more seamlessly with gemstones. They don't have such a bright, iridescent, pearlescent shine to them. It's a little bit more flat, which is nice for these color combinations that I used. I really felt like the Erinite blends just beautifully with this jade color. So Erinite is a really popular tone, so it comes in a lot of different styles of Swarovski crystals. This is the 5500 9mm, and then we have some 5000 round beads, the 5040 rondelle bead. Up here I used the 5200 to kind of blend in all these styles together. So that's nice, and then I used the Mint Alabaster AB. And this is a Swarovski Crystal 5000 6mm and then an 8mm as well. And I just love this opaque look next to the opaque look of the jade bead. And then I blended in some highlights of Pacific Opal. So this is nice too. It has a little bit more of crystal coming through, but still a nice milky effect. So I really just used those four colors: Jade, Erinite, Mint Alabaster AB, and Pacific Opal. And then just strung my beads the way that I wanted them. Now down here, this is a really nice, let's see, connector bead that I found at Joann's. It just pops open like this. And then I also found this tassel, which is the perfect color for Erinite. It blends perfectly with this. And a little tip is I didn't find this in the jewelry section. I found it in the fabrics tassel section. And that was just a couple of dollars. And then I added, this is the beautiful B-charm bead, Swarovski Crystal B-charm bead, which is really lovely. If you can see, it's been stamped with Swarovski on both sides, and it just has that gorgeous cluster pave look of crystals there. So I love that dramatic effect at the end. And then I also just attached this sweet little pendant. It's the 6002. There's also a 10mm, and this is the 15mm. You can see how many facets are on this one. And then I just added a nice little charm to it as well. So you just string these on like that, and then this clasps so securely right here next to your clasp. So anyway, I hope you enjoy these color combinations. I just really love them. I can't stop wearing it for spring. It's spring, and I'm sure I'll wear it all throughout the summertime as well. But if you have any questions for me, please let me know. I'm always here and happy to help. Please visit us at rainbowsoflight.com, and keep smiling and keep shining.